Hey, what's going on? So, this will be part five of the mobile PDF stuff, proposal stuff. Um, but first, let's get some quick dev out the way. These buttons, which should determine the different makeup of the proposal generation. They're not persisting, and we don't need to show it really. But yeah, these buttons, if I go to the new tab, it's not working. So go that way. No, thank you. Sorry, Rocco got up my way. All right, so the issue is that these are just setting local state. They're not doing anything to the actual job. So on show group sub checked. Dispatch. All right, so current job. Job thunk. I thought we had a current job thunk. Not on mobile, maybe? I guess we're just doing job thunk. It's a little different. So, okay. We'll just stick with it. Um, So, okay, so let's see what we need to do first. So could not update proposal settings. It's definitely like an estimate version that we need to be working with. Which way you went out stuff? No. So it is on the job. Okay. Which is not good. I, mean, I guess that doesn't really matter. All right, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I guess ideally it's on the version, but we're gonna extract out versions and all that stuff. So yeah, we just need. Is it like pick? How does pick work? Is it like a bar? No. I guess it's just settings, yeah. You don't have a last updated by? Okay. Okay, so what I should do is when a proposal setting is changed, we should update the current job in all of the places. Pick with optionals. Partial pick. Now, I don't really want to get into that, to be honest. I have no interest in that. I mean, yeah, I think we just do it. show line item prices. I mean, I guess. I mean, pick is kind of silly, I guess, then. Okay. Just do it this way, Matt. Same way we do everything else. Way better. She got a baby by bus. Sweet. There we go. All good. All right, so I'm going to get this pushed through. That's so far indented. That's so funny. Just kicked his ear or stepped on his ear. Okay, so we got this. Okay, I'm gonna pause this, get this app running again. Get rid of this dev. I don't know if that's the right one. But yeah, I'll pause this, get this running, and then I'll be back in a couple minutes. Thanks. All right, so I'm back with this. Got everything running. Just want to test out these things here, right? So show group subtitles. That is, that's working. So I guess let me see how it works without subtitles. So it's just the line items, which is nice. If I do show group, so that one's not working. Okay, I'm not going to go through and fix that for dev just yet. Show line item prices or false. Would this be the work? No. Oh, that's not gonna. Yeah. Okay, that's the solution. So show pricing. Nice. So the pricing goes. All right, sweet. So what we need to do though is check that. Um, yeah, these aren't working at all. I'm gonna do this from web. I need to fix that definitely. Okay. Can I duplicate the group? No. The alternates are not showing, so that's one. I mean, there's no items here, so that's probably why. Save that. I'll go back to here. The alternate was not updated. What if I thought we had a refresh there? I didn't hit the save button, so I wonder if I have to. No, it just wasn't updating. Another problem for another day. But this was default to the wrong things. And I think that's just because this is what I had. I didn't so I was updating these things on mobile, but I was still on the page on web. There we go. Still on the page on web. So when I saved on web, it actually overwrote, overwrote, and yep, overwrote the details. I'll just say that. Okay, so view proposal. So group one, group one, group two, group four. Okay, so the alternates are not shown. So you got to figure out why the alternates are not showing. Add alt groups because we have an alternative group. Now, what if I have a text only group? That should display. These are just straight text. And while I'm at it, I'm going to do a bunch of these. Play around with this. Okay. So now I go back to here. All right, I guess I'm here. Might as well. Yeah, it should get the job. I don't know why it wasn't updating. Okay. 21. It looks like it's missing some. Yeah, I don't get why it's not. There it is. Yeah, it's weird. It's like some are getting updated, but not the others. Or it just needs time, probably. I don't know. Well, let's see how this looks. This could be rogue, to be honest. Oh, well, it's only not showing that text only. But we got line item 9. So yeah, okay. So let's see. Add text groups is what we need. Oh, it says all over. We gotta do it all. Okay. What time is it? It's 9:30. Use a smoothie. I would love a smoothie. 1 second. Okay, so I ordered a smoothie, so I'll get here soon. That'll be great. All right, so we still got a bunch of work to do. Damn. So now we need alt groups. Which I think is going to be super similar to the details stuff. I'm definitely going to sit down for this. 1 second. All right, so now I'm sitting, which is way better. Just honestly, I didn't want to stand and have to deal with this. So, all right, sweet. So we got to do a couple things. We got to pull this up here. Alternate. So it doesn't look like we're actually displaying the alternates. Like we're displaying them here, but it's not like we're not showing alternate, which is maybe good. We got text only, which looks good. Yeah, it looks great. And it's resetting on the new line, which is nice. Oh, this is on web. Okay. I'm gonna say I thought this was for mobile. I was gonna say nice, let's go. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in the thing. So details, add details are gonna be super similar. So I'm gonna split down. Close this, Command J. And just kind of go through. I don't want to add details up here. All right, so I'm just going to compare them. So we are looping through the alternate groups just like we were, getting a width. If we are showing the group name, it's the same thing. The cost looks like it's going to be a little bit different. Add versus deduct, which is here. And then we got the right value. So that's the pricing. We're always going to show the cost for this. So we're not doing like any hiding of it. That's the whole purpose of an alternate, is to either say, hey, you asked, how much would it cost to do 3 extra lights, versus like, what if you just did 5 lights instead of 6, right? You could deduct 1 light and from the pricing and all that stuff. So that's the purpose of the alternatives. Maybe there's another way, but another word, but yeah. So we're looping through the line items for that alternative and just listing out the pricing. Each of them, they could have notes just like before. Show lump sum is whether or not we show like group 3 is here. Rocco, dude, this is too close, buddy. There's an entire room here. You don't like when I run you over. Hey, I love you, I do, but it's just like right on top of a damn chair. love you. I'm sorry. You okay? Sorry, guy. Show group subtitle pricing. Yeah, that doesn't. That's not affecting anything. So I don't know that we need that last part because the price should always show. Yeah. All right, sweet. So this is actually not that, like I said, not that different. Okay, so I'm gonna get all the things, and we're gonna do it, even if it's like mostly copy and paste. We're gonna separate the two between groups and alternates. Alternatives or alternates. Yeah, it's alternates, not alternatives. Alternate groups. Okay. And then, well, as always, we worry about refactoring to make it nice and pretty later. Start at the bottom of the header. So where are we starting? So const, this thing up out here. Starting y coordinate. So I think so that's our starting. So we don't need it here. We got add alternate groups. Got PDF generator. We're gonna have add alternates groups. Okay. Add alternate groups. What else are we doing? So what's the group spacing? What are we doing for group spacing? I can get rid of this. Not details. I want groups. Like at the end. Why would we do that here? Yeah, this doesn't make any sense why we're doing this. We want to do this, yeah, but we could just do that here. We don't need, you know. And that should give us the same. We shouldn't have any issues. Yeah, so that's good. Yeah, that was, I guess that was, I remember being a little confused about stuff like that yesterday. Okay, so that's that. So the group starts at floating start. Let's just check it out. Page dot draw text. Just want to see where that starts. Okay, so it starts right underneath, which is nice. Okay. So we don't need to do anything. We just want to, or we're supposed to show base price and this. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So before add alternate groups, I am missing something else. I had to tip the guy a little extra. As far as hell he's driving. So at the add base price is what I missed. Did I? Guess so. Add page. Yeah, how did I miss both of these? I mean, line items I didn't miss. That's the groups, but I did miss the base price. Okay. I don't know. We need add details for now. Is total. So, okay. I get it. I get it. Um, okay, so that's good. Why? Why is it 80? Second respond. Found a message from Soderbeck. Um, okay. So yeah, let's see what it's saying. This ain't working. Oh, there you go. 110,996. Beautiful. Okay. How about that? Base price. Now we need to do the accept decline stuff. Or we don't need to show it here, you know? Maybe that's the move. Maybe that's what we don't. Maybe on the previews we don't want to show that. I mean, this doesn't even have it on web. Maybe it does. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that email. Okay, well, I'll move forward until I get that email. Yeah, I just don't know that we need that on web, on mobile, you know? Because it's always going to be viewed on web. Like eventually we'll have a um, eventually we'll have a mobile app for the customers and stuff, but um, yeah, I'm just not sure. That's going to be a while. So there's no way currently to approve to select an alternate. Yeah, it's not even, I mean, it's not even showing here. Usually there's a thing up here that says select alternate. Damn. Hey, what's going on? So I just opened up this PDF that I sent to myself. And there's a couple things. One is there's no accept and decline for the alternates anymore. And then there's also like normally there's buttons over here, right, that allow me to like select and deselect the list of alternates. Um, so yeah, just wondering if you could let me know if we did something with those, but if you could yeah, just let me know about that. Thanks. And if it's try and just add it back. It should be there. I don't know if it's hidden or something, or the conditionals just aren't working, but yeah, thanks. I can't wait to pay Starter back like $100 an hour. It's gonna be so nice. So nice, so nice. But yeah, for here, I don't know that we need to show it. Now maybe we gotta make it a little bit small, a little bit more spacey, but um, but yeah. See, I'm gonna move the base down a little bit. Move the base. I'll just add it. Damn it. No, I won't. I lied. I don't want to do it. Okay. So base price is good. Base price will be there. And it says base price because there is an alternate, which we have to add now. So add base price. We do need to return the starting pricing. So now we got to do the alternates. All right. Splitting right better? Maybe a little bit. Not really. Definitely not. Wait. Okay, we're back. Smooth's here. Okay, so I am back. For next group, which is good. Okay, so now we're going to need to loop through the groups. Data dot alternate groups. If data dot alternate groups dot length is less than 1, then we're just going to return back floating, and that's it. I think we just return back to starting, right? Because we want the next one to be determined. We want the next component to be in charge of its spacing, so that it would determine the lines, right? So I think that was the. I think that's the dryer. Gotta drop a little Smoothie Joe. Smoothie Joe. All right. All right. So that's going to be false, right? So I don't think I need to do this. Dot map group. Let's see if it takes this. I mean, it's a little different, I guess. So if it's an addition, the total cost, the display, got those things. Nah, I'm just gonna do this from scratch myself. Not from scratch, obviously, but cost. That's all good. Let's get those going. All right, so if we show the group name, we got the floating thing. So if show group name, what do we got? We got page.draw text, the name, the padding, that thing. All right, so that's good. All right, so I mean, we should always show the group name for alternates. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, this doesn't matter for alternates. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. That's not what I want. I want this. Yeah, it should always show for the alternates. So how are we doing the group name? Nothing crazy. Width minus horizontal padding. Minus 50. Because we want to draw this is just the group name. I lied. Oh, it was for the other thing. Okay. Just minus 100. And what is this one for? Starting X for description, max width for description. Starting X is yeah, I don't know why it's not showing here. $9.38. That's it. So 75 space left. This gives you 25. Or because width is, yeah, I don't know that we want this max row max width. I think this is like 100. It's got to be. because this up here is minus 50. It's got to be 50. This is what's going on. So the x plus the row max width minus 50. Okay. Why is that? What's going on here? Equals row max width minus 100. The row max does this look like? Because that's pretty much what we got down under. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why it's doing that at all. Because there not a max width somewhere? This also isn't updated. Or not showing correctly, that is. 223 is what it should show, and it's not showing anything. I wonder if that's because of this. No. Okay. What to do here? row max width, which should be here. Where's that 75 come from? Like 595 minus 520. Where's that 75 go? Thing is, though, is that like even if I fix it for this number, it's not going to be fixed everywhere because I don't know what is going on with this. All right, I'm going to pause this. I'll come back when I fix it. I don't know for y'all. Okay, so I had to keep playing around with stuff. So this right align text function does not actually work. It was like it was being perceived as it was working. If I do like X position for all of these, I'm up here now. I don't know how it was working, but like it was being right aligned, but everything was in its own like funky little zone. Um, and yeah, I just did away with it. So, but yeah, now everything is aligned. And cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to get you in here before I go clean it up. So yeah. I see. I see. So the dilemma this whole time is that I don't think the calculations were obviously that wasn't working correctly, right? The right align text function, but it's not just the pricing anymore. It's also the ADD colon space. What a dummy. So pricing text is what I need. And I think now that's going to reduce everything. I feel like this should work. I don't think so. Oh, it is. Now there's some extra spacing. There's some extra spacing there, but that is good. That is good with me. Oh, I can't. I spent all this time doing that. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Let's see, Rocco. Rocco. Yo. I should switch. Oh, what's up, dude? Here. Oh, snap. I know he saw it too. Damn, I can't believe that took forever. What a dummy. One second. No crazy man. That took forever. Can't but laugh. But laugh. You're all set. No, thank you. Nothing's changed. No, thank you. 1 second. All up in my personal space. Say. Sorry, buddy. We can't do underneath the table anymore. Just step on them every time. Oh, that took forever. No, thank you. Wait. Feel bad. I don't want to yell at him, but there's too much. Okay, so that's the name. Go to the line items. And we don't need display anymore. See, the price isn't working. Yeah, for some reason it's not adding. And that's going way back, so I won't get to that at the moment. There's so much to do still, believe it or not. We might get to 10 parts. It is 11 o'clock today. I go to the gym at 1:30, so 2.5 hours to just keep pushing. All right, so that is sure. Um, yeah, I think we just. It's going to be somewhat the same, but mostly different. So we don't need any dots on this one. Spacing to the left of text is nothing. Starting X for description is horizontal padding. No, I mean we do want the we want the dot still. The line on them. Yeah. Sorry, y'all. I mean, I think that's it. I don't think we complicate anything. I think we do need the lump sum payment, I guess. But this is the lump sum. So we don't need the lump sum either. So I think we're done. Nice. So that's the name. After the name, we need this, okay? Don't need display. Trim you. Just for the first one. Results on the tattoo clips. Little what? Oh. 1 second. Bah. Me. Just go use me. Dream out of me, dream out of you. Not enough. Just make sure that it's working. It's working all right. But we need to do the minus. Much better. Too big. Too big, though. Too big, too big, too big. Too big. Max width for name. Oh, that's group name. There we go. All right, so let's keep going. So that looks good. We need more things though. Oh, I can't do that on here. Yeah, I gotta fix that ASAP, dude. Oh, that's not gonna work. That ain't gonna work. Just to make sure it's saved. Double save. What needs to happen is we need to determine when we're on a new page. That's what needs to happen. 100%. But I think I have to stop with the invoice, with the PDF stuff for this week because I got other stuff to do. I got work to do right after the gym. And then I got a bunch of cleaning because we got friends visiting for the weekend. They're going to be staying here. And dude face and the cats have hair everywhere. So yeah, I mean, this is going to require some big brain thinking. So this is going to have to be a Monday thing, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Made some good progress on this. I made some progress on this. Wasn't the best, but it's cleaned up for sure. So yeah, I'll see y'all for I think part 7 on Monday. Adios.